morning, everyone. Happy Monday. I got a bunch of admin done this morning, and now I am working on putting a clear coat on the backside and inside of the bar. All the stained area has been curing for 96 plus hours, and water still just beads up on it, which means it is sealed. It is not going to absorb any water, so that's fantastic. So I will just seal all the raw wood, and then it'll be done. Table is going to get its third and final clear coat the end of day today, so it can cure overnight. It is going to be delivered Saturday. Can't wait to have this out of here. So last thing is the bread box. I need to clean up that dado that caused the problem the other day, and I need to cut another round of dados for the top shelf. So I am going to get to that. And at some point, probably not today, I need to go pick up the wood for my next order, which is a walnut sofa table. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. See you later. Today is one of those days where I just shouldn't have got out of bed, you know? I should have known today would go the way it did when I fell down the stairs first thing this morning. Get a few little bruises to show for it. Man, everything that could go wrong was just going wrong. But you know what? I still got stuff done, and there's always tomorrow. And I'm just gonna start fresh then and hope that all of my tools and everything just decides to suddenly work properly, including my brain. But you know what? Got that clear coat on the bar. That's curing. Should take about 48 hours to cure. Coat number 3, final coat, is on the table. That will be cured by end of day tomorrow and will be ready for delivery on Saturday. Have a good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I got a bunch of admin done this morning, and I'm just getting out here now, and it's good to see that everything is right where I left it, or where I threw it out of anger. I kind of pulled a Steve from Grain Creations. If you've ever seen him when he has little temper tantrums, he just chucks things across his shop. Well, that was me yesterday. Today will be a better day. I am positive of that. Because I didn't fall down the stairs this morning, so I'm already one up on yesterday. Plus, I'm wearing my new green, military green shirt, which I saw TK wearing this because she bought one, and I was like, damn, I gotta have that color. Thing's awesome. Speaking of awesome, the table is looking so good. It's almost completely cured. There's just a tiny bit of tack left to it, but it's looking good. Okay, I'm gonna get to work. I'll see you all later. Bye. Yesterday, a lot of my frustration was coming because my bit kept slipping in my router, and you can see where it just slipped and dropped, and it was digging in really deep, and it was just, it was a bitch. But I see now what the issue is. You see, my collet snapped. Yeah, and guess what? It's the only one I have for the 1/4-inch shanks, and I don't have a 1/2-inch bit to do this, so I now have to order a new collet, which means I can either leave this here until the new collet arrives, or I can figure out another way to do this. Options: table saw. Not safe at this point because I've already cut some details and things, and that would be very difficult and unwise. I could use the track saw at this point and then chisel out the waste. Probably my safest and best bet. However, can't get a chisel in there because these are deep dados. So then I would have to buy a router plane. Truth be told, I've been needing an excuse to buy a router plane for a while. So now I have it. I love buying new tools. I don't need it though. I could technically get a chisel in there. It just wouldn't be easy. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go decide. Yeah, welcome to my brain, people. Okay, so yeah. I opted to go the track saw route, and after doing just one of them, I can tell you, that was so worth it. It was even easier than the router. I'm glad I didn't wait. I'm loving it. And I was being dramatic when I said that a chisel couldn't get in there. I just really want a router plane. But I'm doing just fine with a chisel. So I'm going to continue doing it this way. And I got to tell you guys, I love the track saw. Every time I use it, I think to myself, why do I even bother putting this away? It should just always be out. It's a staple in my shop now. Literally, I have 3 projects going on. The bread box, the bar, and the table. I have used this on all 3 of them, and after using it on all 3 of them, I thought to myself, like, damn, this was the best investment I've made in all the tools I have. They're all great. This one has a place in every single thing I do. It's amazing. Get yourself one. Don't skimp out. Add it to your wish list. Do it. Get yourselves this too. Fancy, convenient. Bye. Well, I am loving the way this bread box is coming out. Like, I totally need one for myself. It looks so cool. But do you see that little dot right there? Guess who's hiding inside the bread box? It's the brave little toaster. And he is literally living inside the bread box forever now. I was a little nervous about putting it on there, but I have to say, I love it. He is so cute. So this is where the tortillas go. There's gonna be a clear door here that's gonna pull down, and you got your nice shelf here. And the brave little toaster. All right, I'm gonna get some glue on this before I call it quits for the day. So I'm gonna go hang out with him. I'll see you all later. Bye. I'm done for the day. All glued up. I'm very happy with how it's coming together, the joinery. Happy with it. It's good stuff. Today was a much better day than yesterday. And tomorrow will be even better. I'll see you then. Have a good night. Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I'm going to be getting the bread box out of clamps today. Hopefully get it all cleaned up and ready for its clear coat. And then from there, it just needs some finishing details like an acrylic door, little handle, magnetic catch, some hinges, some little rubber feet, stuff like that. If you've ever worked with acrylic before, plexiglass, whatever you want to call it, please send some tips and tricks and stuff you've learned the hard way so that I don't have to learn it the hard way. That would be great. Thanks. Also, rocking another new color today. This is Purple Rush. This is the classic style shirt. So I got the regular logo here with the, let's see if I can do this, the big stamp on the back. So yeah, you can get classic or you can get the touchstone style, which is my newer logo. They all come in purple. All the colors are available in both shirts. Okay, next up, hang on, I'm gonna get cut off. Okay, so real quick, I got a couple of stickers here. I got Josh Hescott from Hescott Designs. I don't think he's gonna fit up there, so he's gonna have to become a magnet. And then I've got Walrus and Wasp, and I do think I got a little spot right there that this guy can tuck in. So, in talking about stickers, I stopped doing sticker swaps. I did it for 2 years, and I had a blast. I made a lot of friends, get a lot of relationships, and if you're new to doing sticker swaps, don't just swap with people if you can avoid it. Talk to them, become friends with them. Half these people up there, nope, more than half, I've become friends with. They're my crew, you know? That's what you're doing it for, right? You're doing it to build relationships and meet people. That's how you do it. I had a blast doing it, but after 2 years, the board is full and I'm tired of it and it's expensive. Okay, so one thing I mentioned yesterday was that I really wanted a router plane. Well, guess what? I'm getting one because I was thinking ahead to my next project and it's something that I've made before. My next project is a walnut sofa table to match these 2 walnut end tables that I made, I think last summer. So thinking back on it, I remember how much a router plane would have come in handy. So I'm definitely gonna end up buying one of those. I'm not going to end up getting the shoulder plane just yet, although it would also help. I just don't need it. I can use the router plane to do both, but I'm super excited about that. Okay, I'm done. Bye. The bread box is all glued up and I've got it flipped over on well, I'm working on its back right now. And there's just a little bit of a raise right here on the joinery. So I'm just taking a hand plane and just trying to clean that up. And it just takes a little shavings off, but it's just enough to make it nice and smooth. All right, I'm done for the day. I got coat number 1 on the bread box and it is looking wicked good, kid. At least in my opinion. I kind of made it though, you know, so might be biased. But anyway, because I have 1, 2, and 3 orders in here right now, I don't really have room to bring in the materials for the next one, which is frustrating. So I need to clean up in here, which clean up means get organized, which means it's all cleared out under here. Why? Because I'm starting to build the cabinets. I've got the basic construction in there for that half. I'll do this half, I don't know when. I'll say tomorrow, but I don't really know. We'll see. I still have to, of course, build drawers and all that good stuff for it, but hey, at least it's gonna be finally used in its intended purpose. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. I have decided I am going to tackle the remaining 2 sections to get the, I don't know, side panels, whatever you want to call them, installed. And then maybe I'll start working on some cabinet drawers. Ambitious? I don't know. My back is really hurting today. I'm feeling like an old woman again. The bread box took the first coat great. I can't wait to get the second one on. I'll do that at the end of the day so it can cure overnight again. I do have some stuff that I need to get to finish this, but I'm also kind of trying to make one trip, so I know I'm going to probably need to pick up drawer slides and stuff for all of this. So I'd like to do it all at once, you know, get my total count of them and, you know, save time and effort that way. I don't like making more than one trip. I'm one of those people that comes in with the grocery bags, like hulking out, like, 2 trips on 4 weaklings. Okay, I'm going to work. Bye. All right, I'm done for the day. Doesn't seem like I did a lot, but I did. I promise. I got the second coat on the bread box. I got 1 cabinet installed and already filled up with my finishing supplies. I got the rest of the parts for the carcasses in and 1 drawer box built and assembled. And I got all the materials ordered to finish this and to do the rest of this and stuff like that. So I did do a lot. It doesn't feel like it, but I am ending out here early because I have some computer work that I need to go get done. So I am gonna go do that. I hope you all had a great day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. I don't know about you guys, but suddenly I can't wait for Christmas. I have no idea what it is that's making me think of it right now. Anyway, I have a miscellaneous list of things to do today. I've already crushed peaches on a whole bunch of admin today. Like, I am just on fire. But one thing I need to work on is cleaning up the slots on my table saw for the miter gauge, because I've had my eye on a new miter gauge for a while and I'm finally ready to pull the trigger on it. But here's the thing. I have these precisely milled steel bars that are supposed to work in this slot. And look, they work great until you get to the end where they get stuck. Oh, and guess what? It does it on this side too. So, same thing on this side. It's a little tight. So I gotta get that cleaned up. I think it's just probably some rust buildup in there, but I gotta work on that before I go buying that tool, because that would just be a waste of money if it doesn't actually fit. Looks like I'm getting a new miter gauge. Another week in the books, people. 2nd/3rd-ish coat on the bread box. All the materials should be arriving today to finish that up. So I think I should be able to get this done Monday. What? That'd be amazing. Table's getting delivered tomorrow. Potentially the bar as well. Fingers crossed. And does anybody even remember that I was redoing my kitchen? No, me neither. Well, finally got the last coat of paint on the cabinet doors. The humidity just was really, really affecting the dry times. Thankfully, I got a handle on the humidity. I got the dehumidifier running and it's been fabulous. So the second coat has already taken infinitely better. So fingers crossed that that will be able to be installed soon. And by soon, I mean like at least another week. But cabinets, drawers, whatever. I only did a few of them. I basically just have that cubby ready to go. And that's it so far. Part of the reason why I didn't do more of them is because I just kind of don't really know exactly how many I want, how deep I want them. So I just got to get my shit together with that, and then I can go from there. I think it will help once I have the slides and I can, well, I don't really know how that'll help, but in my head, that will help. I don't know. Anyway, I'm done. I will see you all tomorrow probably. If not, have yourselves a great weekend. Enjoy your Friday night, enjoy your Saturday, your Sunday. My goodness, what a great weekend it's gonna be. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. There seems to be something missing from my shop. But holy crap, look at all the room in here. Table got delivered this morning. It went well. The clients are very happy with it. So thrilled about that. It's, you work so hard on it and you hope above all else that they will like it and that you've made their dream come true with it. But man, when you see the look on their face, it just solidifies it and it makes it all worth it. Damn, that's a good feeling. I am thrilled to have it out of here because now, here I am walking into crap even with all this space. Now I can get started on my next big project. The bar, sticking around for a little bit longer, but I'm actually gonna grab some nice finished photos of it today, staged and all that. So glad I got time to do that. But holy crap, people, yes! So the bread box is gonna get its third and final coat of finish on it today. Monday, it will get plexiglass and hinges and a knob. And then this baby is done as well. Wow, it feels good to just be busting through these projects, although busting through might be a little generous. But this one I did move through pretty quickly. I got like 21 hours logged on it, if you can believe that. And still more to do, but hey, it is what it is. So yeah, the next big project I'm doing is, I've got a long walnut sofa table to match these two end tables I did like last summer-ish. I've got a CNC sign that I think I'm gonna get working on this week. And I think I have 40 sets of coasters. Yeah, it's gonna be a busy couple of weeks. I got a lot going on. So I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my Saturday, get this done. I'll see you guys later. Bye.